In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect domain to Kit. Connecting a custom domain helps you present a more professional link and keeps your branding consistent when people visit your pages. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Kit account and you are on the main dashboard. Look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and find the Settings option with the small gear icon. Click Settings to open your account and workspace options. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Custom Domains. This is where Kit lets you add and manage domains that you own. Click Custom Domains to continue. On the Custom Domains page, you will see an option to add a new domain. Click Add a Domain. Kit will prompt you to enter the domain you want to connect. Carefully type your domain name exactly as it is registered with your domain provider. Take your time here, because even small typos, extra spaces, or missing parts of the domain can prevent verification later. After you enter your domain, Kit will generate DNS records for you. These are specific entries that need to be added to your domain's DNS settings so Kit can confirm that you own the domain and route traffic correctly. Copy the DNS records provided by Kit. Be sure you copy each record fully and accurately, including the record type, the host or name field, and the value or target field. If the DNS record includes a trailing dot or specific formatting, keep it exactly as shown. Next, open a new browser tab and sign in to your domain provider, which is the company where you purchased your domain. Navigate to the DNS settings or DNS management area for that domain. Paste the records you copied from Kit into the correct fields in your provider's DNS settings. Save or confirm the changes after adding each record, depending on how your provider works. Once the DNS records are saved, return to Kit. Back on the custom domain screen, click Verify. DNS updates can take some time to spread across the internet, so if verification does not succeed right away, wait a bit and try again. After Kit verifies the domain, your custom domain connection is complete. That covers everything you need to know.